Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making the surface contamination-free, wash thoroughly, then wipe with isopropyl alcohol to remove oils. Once dry, lightly sand or use etching cream. This increases mechanical grip so paint bonds. Choose the right paint: enamel that cures in oven for dishwasher resistance or acrylic air dry for decorative non-washing items. Then apply a thin first pass. Thin coats avoid drips and promote even drying. Use steady strokes and rotate the bottle. Keep a 6/8-inch distance for spray or a light brush for detail. Once the first coat is set to touch, build color with 2 to 3 thin layers. This prevents runs and yields uniform opacity. Make sure to wait 15 to 30 minutes between coats depending on paint instructions. Too soon lifts previous layers. For crisp shapes, mask edges and peel when the paint is tacky, not fully dry. For gradients, work wet on wet and feather with a dry brush. For texture, stipple gently. Use a small round brush for fine lines, and let each detail stabilize before moving on. You finish by curing and sealing. Follow the manufacturer's instructions. Many enamels require oven bake at specified degrees and time, while acrylics need 24 to 72 hours air cure. Once cured, apply a compatible clear coat to protect against chips and moisture. Spray in thin passes. If something goes wrong, like chipping or runs, sand the floss smooth, clean with alcohol, repaint a thin coat, then reseal. Finally, handle cured bottles gently for 48 hours to reach full hardness.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.